everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to talk about the liver disorders. Liver is a very important and the most prominent part of our body. Sometimes there will be a liver inflammation and we don't even know, because whatever the liver diseases are there, mostly asymptomatic. By the time we understand something damage happening to our liver, there will be a lot of change and there will be a lot of damage happen to the liver as well. So it is very important to understand that there is a liver disease also called as hepatitis. So we have to understand and identify what are the changes happening in our body when there is a liver disorder. Even government is also trying to make so many awareness programs, like every year July 26th they are celebrating World Hepatitis Day, where people will get awareness about what is liver diseases and what is liver cirrhosis and what is liver cancers, etc. So this is all related to the liver disorder where we are getting hepatitis. So there are many kinds of hepatitis, like hepatitis A, B, C, D and E. Hepatitis D is a delta virus where the infections will go very rapidly. Then hepatitis B, C and E, these infections will spread very hugely inside the body and they are very much infectious to the body and very dangerous, which may lead to liver cirrhosis and liver cancers and so on, where the liver's functioning stops there, because this is completely damaging the liver. So let me tell you how to identify the liver diseases whenever we are having. There are some symptoms. Sometimes it is asymptomatic, but sometimes the symptoms, mild symptoms, we have to understand that there is a liver disorder happening in our body. Sometimes the symptoms starts with the jaundice, with fever and flatulence, stomach pain, blood vomitings and so on. This is an indication that the liver is been dysfunctioned there and we have a hepatitis problem. Sometimes it is asymptomatic. So it is very important for us to notice all these changes. What is the reason behind this hepatitis? Why we get this hepatitis? I'll tell you briefly. Basically, very silly mistakes what we do, like having a contaminated food and water, that will lead to hepatitis. Then using the razors and then used razors of others, this all lead to hepatitis. We don't even feel that this will cause to hepatitis, but yes, this also is the reason for hepatitis. And neglecting the vaccine during childhood. So it's very important that a child gets vaccinated with this vaccine within the 24 hours of the childbirth. And then every 6 weeks, 10 weeks and 14 weeks the vaccine will be given. And after that pentavalent vaccine will be given, which will be a combination of 5 vaccines that will be given. Then it will be effective till 5 years as a booster when it is given. So it is very important for the parents to keep in your mind that it's very important for your child to get vaccinated in time. If the child was vaccinated in the childhood, definitely they won't get this hepatitis. If the vaccines are being delayed or not given in time during the childhood, definitely as the child grows and when they are elder, then it is all kind of liver diseases will come. And another most prominent thing which will lead to liver cirrhosis is the alcohol. Consumption of alcohol and smoking, this all are damaging the liver. As we know, smoking and alcohol is very much injurious to health. Still, many of the people do follow it. My dear friends, please do take care of your liver. Understand the changes happening in your body, and as I tell you always, prevention is better than cure. Please get your child vaccinated when during a proper time of the boosters to be given, so that they get themselves away from all this hepatitis and the liver disorders, that is like the liver cancers and the liver cirrhosis, etc. Take care of your children as well, and please, the elderly people, please take care of your health by just following some few hygiene steps in your lifestyle, where instead of having a contaminated food and water, which is also a reason for your hepatitis, and then at least have the frequent tests to go for, where the people who are infected with the hepatitis, they have to go for a frequent checkup with the doctor and have a proper treatment cycle, whatever the doctor is giving. Other than that, there are some blood tests given to identify whether the hepatitis is positive or not, whether the hepatitis virus is infected or not. This all care is to be given to the patients who are seen with some kind of symptoms, and definitely a child also has to be vaccinated with the proper vaccines and boosters in time so that they will be living long in their life. As we are away from the liver disorders, we will be living so long. We will be having a longer healthy life. So please do take care of your liver, and please understand the importance of that, and prevention is better than cure. So please get your child vaccinated in the childhood only. Thank you all for watching.